In this video, I'm going to share with you a niche that I found that is trending on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on print-on-demand, Merch by Amazon, Etsy, TeePublic, and Redbubble. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and if you get any value from this video, make sure to give it a like. Okay, let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you guys today that I found that is starting to trend on Merch is drag is not a crime. And if we look at the results here, we're going to see there's only 269 results. And if I go to the third page, because sometimes I'll be getting called out in the comments here, if I scroll down, we will see, where is it? Right here on the third page. If I scroll up to the top for that same keyword, drag is not a crime, you're going to see there's still 269 results. So this niche is low in competition. And when we look at some of the results or some of the designs here, like these ones right here, we're going to see these were just recently uploaded. So this one was just uploaded a couple days ago or 3 days ago, and you can see it's selling with a 507 BSR. This one was uploaded at the beginning of the month, has a BSR of 227 at a pretty good price of 20 bucks. So that's getting a good royalty. Now, I don't know why this niche is trending. I did do a little research. I wasn't able to really find anything. The only thing that I found was a YouTube video where some guy was talking about drag. Now, I was a little skeptical at first when I first saw this niche. So what I did is I just took the plunge for you guys and I went ahead and made a design. I uploaded it onto Amazon or to Merch and it went through with no problem. So it should be good to go. If we take a look at test to see if this is trademarked, we will see drag is not a crime. Hit enter, and I already checked, but nothing pops up. You see here, no test records were found. And if we go to some of the other print-on-demand platforms like Etsy, we're going to see drag is not a crime shirt, only 1,200 results, so very little competition. Same thing with Redbubble, only 23 results. I think this design or phrase could do very good as a sticker, you know, because it's very like kind of like a statement. So it could do well on Redbubble with this niche. And if we look at TeePublic, we're going to see what some of the other designs look like. If you're looking for designs, clip art, you can go to Creative Fabrica. So Creative Fabrica right here, Creative Fabrica. I don't know how you say it. I like to say Creative Fabrica. But if you I just typed in LGBT rainbow, and here you're going to see there's some just really good clip art that you can use. And it's really as easy as this. You just need to take the clip art and just put like drag above, and then is not a crime underneath. And there you have a nice t-shirt design, and you have a whole bunch of clip art that you can get. Creative Fabrica has a lot of good stuff. I have an affiliate link for them in my description. If you go to any one of my YouTube videos, you scroll down into the description right here, you're going to see Creative Fabrica. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up with them, I do get a commission. Right now, they are charging only like 59 bucks, I think, for the whole year, based on like 5 bucks a month. But you get a ton of value with Creative Fabrica. You know, they don't just have like t-shirt designs or graphics. I mean, they have courses, they have AI Spark, they have fonts. So you get a really good value with that $5 a month. So if you're interested, take a look. The link is in the description. And that is basically going to be the niche that I found, or the niche that I have for you guys today. I do have a couple other things or a couple other courses I want to share with you. If you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, I have this course right here that you might want to take a look at. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's on sale right now for only $9.99. You get 16 lessons over an hour of content. I also have one for Redbubble as well. So step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble, also $9.99, 20 lessons. And my most recent one is one that I created for Etsy. Everything you need to know to set up your Etsy shop for success, also $9.99. This one you get 14 lessons. If we look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales and made over $38,000 on the Merch by Amazon platform. And if we take a look at my credentials on Redbubble, we're going to see that over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000, with my best month being last year in June, where I did 317. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description. I'll also have them as a pinned comment. And if you're just looking for more niche or design ideas, take a look at my channel. This first playlist right here has a whole bunch. I'm going to give you some good ideas if you're kind of stuck or you don't know what to design for. My channel is pretty much just about like niches that are trending, evergreen niches, design or niche ideas, just to give you some ideas on what to design for and to get you some sales on Merch by Amazon and all the other print-on-demand platforms. So kind of a short video today, but I just saw this niche and I wanted to get it out to you. Hopefully you can get some good designs up and get some sales. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.